As lightning lights up the sky, the camera picks up something rather chilling. Watch.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
As you can see, there's a clear figure standing just meters from the YouTuber. However, just seconds later, the figure is gone.
La ilahe illallah. Nasıl bir şimşek çaktı arkadaşlar? Dışarı çıktığım
Because this happened so quickly, the investigator doesn't even realize that someone or something was just meters away. Without knowing this, he proceeds to continue with his investigation indoors. Just a few minutes later, more strange things are caught on camera.
nereye gideceğimi şaşırdım arkadaşlar. Allah. La ilahe illallah.
The door slams shut despite there being no one else around.